What if I told you that there was a way to make money trading without the complicated top-down analysis, ICT, all this bullshit that you are being fed from the internet? What if I told you that there is a simple way and a predictable way that you can just follow every single day, Monday to Friday, and you are guaranteed to have a high win rate? In this video, I am going to show you how I consistently make over $2,000 a day, trading only 2 hours a day. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Alright, now, in order for you to understand this strategy, you need to understand the difference between the consistent winners and the losers, because there is a very specific set of behaviors that losers have and winners have. If you look at the majority of traders, 90% of them, they lose money in the long run trading. And there are specific reasons why. The first thing is that most traders who are losers, they work and operate from a position of fear. What this means is that you are afraid of losing your last $50, your last $10, and even when you deposit 500 or something, you have confidence until you have 2 losing trades and you get into that fear mindset of, now I've lost, I have to do everything in my power to get above water. And this causes you to become emotional. And we all know when you become emotional. Compare that to the winners. The winners, they operate from a position of curiosity. So with curiosity, it means that you are okay losing money because you're curious to know. Let's see how this one plays out. So when your setup forms, instead of focusing on, oh, this is what I have, oh, I'm going to lose, winners focus on, this is how much I am ready to lose. So let's play and see, because it's just curiosity. You never really know which trade is going to be a winner or a loser. All you have to do is just show up and let the market surprise you. That's it. So that is number one. Number two is that the losers are quitters. After 4 losing trades in a row, or when losers encounter a losing streak, they get discouraged and they quit. And the worst mistake that these guys do is changing strategies. However, the winners know something that the losers don't. And it's the people who last the longest. So what does that mean? When the 90% of traders who are losing money panic here and there when they start encountering losing streaks and jumping from strategy to strategy, winners stick to their plan regardless of whether they are seeing profits or losses. And they continue pushing on, sticking to the same strategy until the winning streak comes, because the market will always be shifting. You won't have winners forever. So when you're just ready and curious, then this strategy is going to make so much sense for you. Now that we've talked about the most important mindset difference in losers and winners, I want to show you a winning strategy that I have been using and I've been making crazy money. So firstly, we need to understand 4 things. Number 1 is time. The most important thing about the market is timing, because there are specific times of the day when the market moves. Now, we have 3 sessions, and each session has its own peak time. And so for Asia session, it begins at 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. This is New York time. And then we have London session.
London session begins at 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. You can change this to your local time, by the way. Just Google it. And then number 3 is New York time, which is my favorite time. And with New York time, it begins at 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now, this is the most important thing that you could ever do with your trading. Having a timing window and coming to the market when there is high volume. Because here's the thing. The markets only do 3 things. We are either going up in an uptrend, or we are going down in an downtrend, or we are consolidating. And guess what? When you come to the market at that specific time, these consolidations, they rarely happen because we have high volume. What you get is a situation where the market picks one direction and just goes in that direction for a while before reversing. And I am going to show you exactly how we caught this move and how, if you missed this uptrend, you could have caught this reversal. So step 1 is come to the screen at the right time. So we are going to delete everything now, and we are going to cut everything up to 9:30. Yes, like that. Now, when I come to the screen at the right time, this is 9:27. This candle here is my high, which is giving me my area of resistance and support. All right. Now, what do I want to see? First of all, this candle is telling us a lot of things. The candle is blue, so we are going up. We know we are going up. The second thing, we have area of resistance and support, which means since we are going up, all I need to see is a candle. First of all, go down, create a wick, and then once the wick is formed, as the candle is going up, that is when now I want to get in. But there must be a wick below. Otherwise, this could be just a fake out. So once I see the wick down, and then it starts to break out, that was my entry going long. Stop loss is below this breakout candle that is breaking out right now, and I was targeting a 1:3. So let me show you how it played out. So next candle, you can notice there was this wick below, and I knew, all right, now if this candle is going up, we are definitely going up strongly. So I got in somewhere around there. Stop loss is below that candle, and then we were targeting a 1:3. And notice how just price goes in that direction directly. Now, if you missed this move, all you need to do is pay close attention to the color of these candles. So right now we are in a very strong bullish move until we see this red candle. This red candle gives you your high and low, which is your support and resistance. And now you're waiting for the next candle to break out, but it did not break out. So we follow the candles again until we see another red candle. So this is our next red candle. Then next candle breaks out. So actually, you could have taken this short down here, put your stop loss above these candles, and you could be targeting a 1:3. Let's see what happens. Next candle, next candle, next candle. And you can see how it plays out. This is how we do it every single day. In fact, let's look at the previous day so that you believe this is what is actually happening in the market. We come to the screen at 9:30. There is 9:30. Now, right off the bat, this is 9:27. We see we are going down. The candle is red, and it also gives us a high and a low. Then what happens? Next candle, it gives us a week. So it gave us a week. And so the moment the candle was breaking out, we got in, we put our stop loss above that breakout candle, and we were targeting a 1:3. And then what happened? Look at that. Beautiful move. I think we took our profits somewhere around here, maybe 2.5R. However, you can see how the strategy plays out. So if you just apply the mindset of the winners and use this strategy, I guarantee that you are going to make so much money trading. You are going to think it's crazy. So if you are interested in learning this or working with me one-on-one, check the links in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.